Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find hidden chat on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to find hidden chat on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, so you can find a bunch of ways to find your hidden chats. Either you can search for the PIN number which you had used to hide the chat on Viber. For example, I had used the PIN number 7836 to hide the chats or particular chats on my Viber account. You can see, guys, here it says at the left side of that contact the I is crossed, which means that this chat is hidden from my inbox, guys. Now either you can search for a certain hidden chat that way, or you can just search for their name if you know whom you have hidden on your Viber chats, and you can see you'll be required to enter the PIN and then the chat will be shown to you. And with that being done, guys, this is how to find hidden chat in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.